Hey there, my name is Sagar and I'm from India. I teach mathematics. Mathematics is my profession. Let me tell you a short story about my career. How do I choose math? When I was in first year of graduation, I failed in math. My score was 20 out of 80, which is very poor score. At that time, I called my dad and told him I was failed. He told me it's okay, everyone fails. You can retry. I worked hard, studied hard, and focused on my subject. After 6 months, I gave exam and you can't believe I got 75 marks out of 80, which is very good score for me. At that time, I choose mathematics as my profession. Talking about my working experience, I am working in Technit IT Company Education Private Limited as the post of online tutor, where I taught US students regularly. I also working as a subject matter expert for mathematics for check.com. Talking about my hobbies, I like to play cricket, play football. I also like to read the books. I read so many books in my post graduation level. I read linear algebra books, real analysis books, and R.G. Barton was the author of Real Analysis, is my favorite one. I also like to watch movies. Marvel series is my favorite series. Avengers are my favorites. Many of students have fear about mathematics, but believe me, math is the very simple subject and scoring subject. Students need one-to-one explanation and brief explanation about every steps. As I have done my post graduation in mathematics, I can approach every single step from different ways. So can student understand easily. Be ready to love in math. Hope we will meet soon. Thank you.